This is currently Garden City. The winds and the rain that we're getting from Hurricane Dorian are not substantial, really. It's a lot of rain. We don't have a lot of flooding going on in our yard.